Here we're going to continue to talk about how we can work with multiple documents. And in particular, I want to focus in on how we can close these documents once we've opened them up. All right, well, let's go ahead and select the file chalk01 JPEG, hold down the Shift key, and then click on chalk04 JPEG. And then we're going to press a shortcut to open these images up in Photoshop. On a Mac, the shortcut is Command O. On a PC, the shortcut is Control O. Here you can see that I have all of these documents open and they're currently floating. Well, let's arrange these in a way that makes a little more sense. So we'll go to our application bar and click on the Arrange Documents icon. And here what I'm going to do is tile all of these vertically so I can see them all side by side. Now, how can I close these images? Let's say that I've worked on these images and I'm done with them. I'm ready to close the files. We have a few different options. One option is to go ahead and click on the little X in the top left-hand corner. That will close the file. Another option, which is even better, is the shortcut to close a single document. Now, the shortcut to close one document on a Mac is Command W. On a PC, that's Control W. I'll go ahead and press that shortcut and I'll close one document. Well, what about those scenarios where you have multiple documents open and you are just ready to be done with it? Well, in those scenarios, what you can do is close all of the documents at once. And you can do so by pressing a wonderful shortcut. On a Mac, it's Option Command W. On a PC, that's Alt Control W. So we'll go ahead and press that shortcut. It will then close all of my open documents so that I can then move on to something else. You can find these shortcuts if you ever forget them by navigating to your File pull-down menu. And here you can see we have our Close shortcut, Close All. And then also there's one more. If you want to close and go to Bridge, it's Shift Command W on a Mac or Shift Control W on a PC. And what that would do is close all of your open documents, and then it would hide Photoshop. It wouldn't close Photoshop, just hide it, and it would take you back to Bridge so that you could then select some other images to work on.